What is 5G? Some basic information on network of future. A look at the new 5G technology. What is 5G? 5G represents a new stage in the evolution of mobile communication. Above all, it is Above all, it will revolutionize mobile data transfer by providing higher capacities within individual mobile radio cells. The new features of 5G are not limited to enabling better use of mobile data. However, the 5G network also offers a range of other possibilities. 5G is the answer to increase data traffic continues to grow uneasily around the world. Network operators face the immense challenge to meeting demand for fast, ubiquitous, ubiquitous data links by providing faster, larger wireless networks. Now that people around the world are connected as standard, we are taking the next step into the future. Communication are expanding to include machines and devices connected in the Internet of Things. Many services Many services will focus on the requirements of industry. For example, production processes will be automated. Innovative applications like smart home technology and entertainment solutions based on virtual reality will make our private lives more convenient and safer. 5G technology is the foundation for this opening up near infinite possibilities for new users. This means formulating a signal definition of 5G isn't easy. 5G is indisputable the network of the future. It can do a whole lot more than just digital telephony and wireless internet. A communication standard, not a wireless standard. The digital connections between people and machines are evolving at breakneck speed. This calls for powerful network and an appropriate infrastructure. Increasing data volumes require faster data transfer. Because 5G is much more than just an enhancement of mobile communication, it's labeled as simply a new wireless standard falls for short of the mark. The future network has to respond to a huge and complex range of demands. In the future, the 5G network will provide the foundation of variety of applications that primarily involves data communication in the broadest sense. That's why it's better to call 5G a new communication standard rather than just a wireless standard. The difference between 4G and 5G. The current mobile communication standard is known as long-term evolution LTE with its network coverage and speed. This technology covers nearly all consumer needs and offers a sufficient data rate for a variety of everyday applications such as mobile streaming of sports content or exchanging data over Messenger's app. LTE can achieve bandwidth up to 150 Mbps in simple operations. In cities, speeds of up to 300 Mbps are possible. This bandwidth is fine for fast downloads of large amount of data. The introduction of 5G won't mean the end of LTE. It's more like an evolutionary step that will supplement the existing networks. The parallel operation of both technology will enable higher capacities and faster network speed in the future. As the communication standard of tomorrow, the much larger bandwidth of 5G will enable new applications and significantly improve the customer experience. The development of digitization means billions of people already use mobile internet. They will be joined in the future by the more than 100 billion connected things that expert estimates will be online by 2020. The 5G network is the answer to the demand of digitalization. Flexible provision of network infrastructure. 5G will set new standards. It will meet future requirements for data speed, network capacity, latency, and data security. With 5G, numerous network layers will be able to serve different applications in parallel. For example, for industry customers, Every application will receive its own suitable layer. The, techon- the technology of dividing the network into individual layers is called networking slicing. It is based on technologies such as network function virtualization and software defined networks. The flexibility these technologies provide will make it possible to combine real network capacities to create virtual network sectors on demand, opening up the possibilities of customer specific solutions.